Welcome back, you guys, to our next vlog. I don't have a fancy word for it this morning. I swear to you, it's almost 10 o'clock, but I still feel like I am waking up. I actually feel pretty overwhelmed this morning, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, obviously, like, the purpose of vlogging is to bring you guys along every part of this prep for sure, and I'm just feeling overwhelmed right now. Lots of stuff going on. Like, our house is a disaster and our cleaner comes tomorrow, so we have to like tidy up because she does all the deep cleaning, right? But I just, maybe this is me, I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I don't expect her to like put our stuff away. You know what I mean? So we have to tidy. Our pantry is like, I'm at the point where I would probably pay someone like $200 just to come and reorganize our pantry. It's been a disaster since we moved in, and I'm just like up to here with it. So just like stuff around the house, and then I am just working super hard on trying to get my fitness coaching stuff off the ground, trying to design my programs, finalize my brand, you know, continuing to create content and post everything, and it's just a lot. And obviously we're on prep, so we have to get workouts in, we have to get cardio in, we have to hit our macros, and I'm honestly having a hard time hitting my macros. I'm still at a really high carb intake right now, and I'm not having an issue with my protein or fat macros. I'm hitting those pretty decently, but I'm having a really hard time getting so many carbs in. So that's been a thing, and it's just a lot of stuff. And this week was my birthday, so I like took some, time to just not do stuff around the house, and now it's like all catching up to me. So that's just where we're at. It's life. Sometimes we have days like this, and I'm just letting it flow. This is just how it is. I have not gone to the gym yet today. It's a quad and hamstring workout, but I was dog sitting for some friends and decided, because I had to go let them out super early this morning, that I would just get some work done this morning because I have a couple meetings, and then I will go to the gym later today. So that is the plan, and I'm just trying to get some stuff done. Had to like force myself to make breakfast because it's so easy, like feeling super overwhelmed with work, and it's like I need to get to my computer, I need to get through my emails, I need to check off my to-do list, start doing stuff to feel productive, and it's super easy for me to just dive into work, and before I know it, it's like 11 o'clock and I haven't eaten breakfast yet or something. But on prep, I like cannot skip meals, otherwise it makes it way too hard to catch up on macros later in the day. So I had to like force myself to make breakfast this morning so that I didn't miss it. So anyway, this is just the reality. This is what it's like being a bodybuilder on prep, an entrepreneur, married, dog mom. Like, this is just what it's like. So anyway, it's Memorial Weekend this weekend. We don't have any plans to go anywhere, do anything, probably organize our house, hang out in our pool, just enjoy each other's company. So that's what we're up to. We actually just got back from a walk. We took our dogs, Seiji and Coco, on a little walk over in Scottsdale. Since it's Memorial Day, RJ is home. He's not working today. So I figured we should just go for a walk, enjoy the morning weather. Plus, I have a step count now. I have a step goal. I have to get 9,000 steps every day outside of my cardio. So my cardio cannot count. So I have to get basically, when you think about it, like 15,000 steps a day. Yay. So we just got home. We're going to make some breakfast, and then we both have workouts today. So there's that, and then probably just come home, hang out, maybe get in our pool, and then we have couples therapy later. So that's pretty much what is on the docket for today. Good morning. It is currently 5:40 in the morning, and we're out here walking. So the best way that I can hit my step goal is getting out here and walking in the morning before I actually go work out. Plus, we're entering the hot season in Arizona, so it just makes the most sense to walk in the morning because it's only like 70 degrees versus later when it could be like 90 to 100. 2 miles is basically what I'm aiming for. And then come home, probably eat something really quick, and then go to the gym for my actual workout. And today I just kind of have like back-to-back appointments, so I like had to get up and get on my walk. If anything, I had to get my walk done, and then if I need to, I can go to the gym later this afternoon if I just don't have enough time to finish everything. So that's what we're up to. And I am so excited to show you this. I'm so excited that this is here. Let me tell you a little bit about what this is and why I decided to get it. So this is a new like backpack slash gym bag. I'm gonna open it here in a second, but I am actually going to be traveling this week. So I fly to Salt Lake on Thursday, fly back to Phoenix on Monday. So I'm going to be in Utah the entire weekend. And just because I am not in Phoenix doesn't mean that I am not on prep still. I will still be on prep. I still have to hit my macros, get my steps, hit my workouts, get my cardio in, and all of that regardless of where I am. So traveling on prep is like a whole other thing. And because I'm attending an event and staying with family, I was like, how am I gonna do this? And then I had remembered about a quote meal management backpack that I had seen on Instagram that's actually pretty popular in the fitness world. So I meandered onto their website and I found a backpack. I bought it. I paid extra for faster shipping so that it would be here before I fly out on Thursday. And this is it. I'm really excited, number one, because it's a really cool looking backpack. Obviously, I haven't taken it out of the packaging yet. I wanted to do that on camera and get my first initial reaction. But the other thing is I have been searching for a gym bag replacement for a very long time. My current gym bag is this. It was a bag that like my dad bought me for like Christmas a few years ago. And it's fine, like I carry it, you know, like this and it works. But I'm one of those people that has my gym bag with me the entire time I'm at the gym because I have different equipment like ankle straps and hip like pad that I use. And so this gets really old to like carry around. So I've been on the hunt for a new gym bag anyway. And then when it came to like buy this one, I was like, perfect. This works for travel and this works for the gym. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm so excited. I was like stalking the mail like tracking. We have another thing of plastic. Here's kind of your first glance. How cool is that? This is super cool. So this is, the brand is called WolfPak. And this is the 35 liter, 35L. I'm guessing L means liter. 35 liter meal management backpack. So it has like nice straps, like some nice cushioning on the back. These are Velcro strips, which I will show you more about in just a second. The meal management portion, I believe, is right here. Yes. And it actually does come with a few like meal packs, which is great. I probably won't use them because I don't use plastic really in my house. But your meals like go in here. So this is where I'm going to be storing my meals when I fly to Utah, is right in here. And if I need to like put them elsewhere, I can. So that is, oh, and there's like a zipper pocket right here. I'm just exploring this bag. There's this giant pocket. We have a laptop sleeve, which this will essentially replace my gym bag and my like backpack. Ooh, what's this? Meal management bag reusable ice pack that keeps your food and beverages cold for up to 4 hours, or excuse me, 8 hours. So that's what this like silver thing is. We have another pocket in here. It's kind of more of a, actually it does go all the way down. Ooh, they have a sticker and a like rubber bracelet and oh, this like little thing, it says welcome to the pack. Cool. Yeah, I mean there's so many zippers, like you can fit a water bottle in the side here. This is massive, guys. So these here are Velcro strips. And they have like hundreds, like over 100 different patches that you can buy to like customize your backpack. So these are just the ones that come with it. This is like their slogan, don't be average, be a wolf, and the trust your instincts ones. So I got a few to customize my own backpack with that I'm excited about. This is the first one. It says NPC competitor. So NPC is the very like entry level amateur association essentially in the bodybuilding world, and these are the shows that I'm going to be competing at this year. So I got one for me. The bottom, it has all of the different classes in it that you can compete in, and I'm competing in wellness. Slap that on there. The next one that I got is coach, because I am a coach. I'm essentially a personal trainer, holistic fitness coach, what have you. So I felt that this was very fitting. So we're gonna stick that on here too. Then I also couldn't go without getting an athlete one, because I'm not only a coach, but I'm also an athlete. I was an athlete first, so we'll just... Then the last one I got is a trust the process. This is something that I repeatedly told myself last year when I was on prep, which was just to trust the process. And I felt like it was a really good mantra to bring into this prep as well. So trust the process. So boom. And then I guess I could put like the trust your instincts one back. There's like, you know, NPC or like IFBB, which is the professional like level. So once you move your way up and you kind of graduate from NPC, and you can then become an IFBB pro. So they have one for that. They have different like, you know, mantra ones like about mindset and just being elite and all of that stuff. So this is my new WolfPak bag, gym bag, meal management bag, and I'm very excited about it.